did it all of a sudden get dark? Can I please get some light? I'm living my best life. Okay, I'm about to run to the Mac store so that I can go pick up this Aaliyah collection. Well, the part that I'm reviewing. I done made it to the mall, you guys. And I'm about to get up in there. There is no one in this mall. But we're about to go on into this Mac store. I'm about to sort out this Aaliyah collection. I'm very excited. I'm very tired. My pants are very tight. Okay, there's a lot of berries going on. Hi everyone! Oh, for the win. Can I get your like first name?
Marla.
Oh my God, no, that's my mom's name.
Ah, we cool people.
Can I get your name too?
Tiana.
Yeah. Do you guys have a favorite Aaliyah song?
I love If Your Girl Only Knew. Rock the Boat.
Oh, Rock and Roll?
Yes. Yes. More Than a Woman. I love you.
Yeah. I love it. Why don't you always listen like this?
I will.
Okay, how it go? First thing I'll say is please forgive the mess on the desk. And the maid has not come in yet to make the bed. So we're making sure we're getting you this video bright and early. Grab the bed. I'm living for the fact that they have festive things for someone like Aaliyah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Love the packaging. I actually really adore the packaging. I have 2 lipsticks, Hot Like and Street Thing, 2 lip glosses, 1 in a Million and Brooklyn Born, and I have the 2 lip liners, one Nevermore and the other Follow Your Heart. So let's get into this. This is everything. It's like a reddish purple, giving Aaliyah's signature on the cap, giving Aaliyah's name and MAC on the bottom. They couldn't have done a better job. The first one we're gonna get into is Brooklyn Born. Oh, you guys, this is the one I'm very excited about. You know I love my sparkle and my shine. Oh. I like it. Honey, get into this beat on today. Honey, I am beat for you. Now let's get into this. Ow. This one is the 1 in a Million. Oh, is this cute for me? Hey, it's not nothing on the brush. Now, I'm not really seeing specks of glitter in here, but I don't have a problem with it. I actually really like it. I want to give it a better go. I want to have a better application. Something I'll try later. The lip liners, 1 is black and 1 is red. So I'm feeling like I really want to try the black one first. This is a moment for us. I've never used lip liner before today. And here we are, lining our lip. And we won't fill them in so much, but we're just gonna, like, not just leave it with the line. Because filling your lips in also will help the makeup last a bit, is from my understanding. But I'm not mad. The lip pencil is Nevermore. We're gonna pair this with Street Thing, which is one of the Frost lipsticks, and I'm really excited to try this on my literal lips because I have another Frost lipstick that I live for, and I almost honestly really want to get into a nice, gorgeous dark lip. She ready. I'm actually quite pleased, like, come through. Now, I don't really get from the actual stick, like, can I show you? On the actual stick, you can kind of see some of the glitter in it, but like on my lips, I'm not getting frost. It gets a little sheen, but not frost. But we love her much, honey. We're gonna get a use out of her. Honey, yes, 1 in a, what is she? Street Thing, yeah? Yep. Honey, we're gonna get lit in the streets with the Street Thing. So now we're gonna try the lip liner, Follow Your Heart. And oh, as a message to everybody out there and just to give some positive energy, always follow your heart in a positive direction and go after the things that you dream about. Child, these things feel like colored pencils, okay? Oh, I broke my tip of my little lip pencil. It's upsetting. Oh, but she's coloring a little better for me. Like, I don't want to say they're super hard, but they could be a little softer. But I imagine the softer they are, the more the pencil's probably gonna break. And I'm actually really impressed with the pigment of these pencils, because as you guys can see, like, I have brown lips, so sometimes things don't show up for us beautiful brown folks. We are lined. My lips are so dry. Wow. Now it's time to do Hot Light. I'm very excited for this one. It's a beautiful red. Here we are. Oh, she's real soft. Oh, she's loose. Oh! She just fell out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Honey, I'm taking this back. You won't get me, sis. Not on today. Look at her. Look at her. She's just as loose as a tube, sis. Sis. I like it. Oh my gosh. I really like this color red on me. Is Howard about to start wearing red lips? You guys, I'm so happy to be able to do this video for you. Aaliyah is definitely an icon. She is definitely one in a million. And oh my gosh, my favorite song from Aaliyah is definitely Rock the Boat. Rock the boat, rock the boat. Please hit the subscribe button, thumbs up this video if you liked it, and don't forget to leave a comment, you guys, letting me know what your favorite product is from the collection, as well as what is your favorite product that I tried on. And what do you think about the lipstick falling out of the daggone tube, honey, on first open? Like, where they do that at, man? But you guys, please follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. There are links in the description, and I will see you guys next time.